Welcome to Everyday Mysteries, where we uncover the fascinating tales hidden in the everyday objects around us. I'm your host, Ethan Carter, diving into the secrets that shaped our world, one object at a time. Let's explore what's hidden in plain sight. In today's episode, we zip through time to uncover the history of a device that sealed our pockets, secured our bags, and streamlined our clothes: the zipper. But where did this ubiquitous invention come from? The story begins in 1893 with Whitcomb L. Judson, an inventor who marketed a clasp locker device similar to the modern zipper. Judson's invention was primarily intended for shoes, and despite its novelty, it was hardly a hit, plagued by mechanical issues and a lack of interest. Fast forward to 1913, when Swedish-born engineer Gideon Sundback made crucial improvements to Judson's design, increasing the number of fastening elements from 4 per inch to 10 or 11. He patented this as the separable fastener, and its efficiency and reliability revolutionized the zipper's use. But it wasn't until the 1930s that the fashion industry began embracing zippers in earnest, thanks to campaigns that pitched them as a new way to promote children's clothing self-reliance. Children could now dress themselves more easily with zippers instead of buttons, which was a compelling selling point for parents during the Great Depression. By the 1930s, the term zipper was coined by the B.F. Goodrich Company, who used the device on a new type of rubber boots. The catchy sound of the name, zip, mirrored the quick, sharp sound made by the fastener, and thus, a star was born. The zipper saw its popularity skyrocket as it became a fixture in fashion, military gear, and countless other applications. Today, the zipper is an unspoken hero of modern design, found in nearly every corner of our wardrobe and beyond. Thanks for joining me on today's journey into the past. Remember, there's wonder all around us, just waiting to be discovered. Subscribe to stay updated with our weekly mysteries and more curious finds. This is Ethan Carter, signing off until next time.